Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to look at how to know the phone number of a missing Ghana card. This is a very quick one. Yes, maybe you found a lost Ghana card on the floor and you want to know the number linked to it so that you can just give the owner a call and just follow up and return the Ghana card to the person. Yeah, so this video will really help a lot. In fact, this message from this WhatsApp group got my attention. Yes, it's really got my attention. So without much ado, let's get into how you can know the number linked to a lost Ghana card. Alright, so just go to your phone dialer and dial the code *402#. Yeah, so that's the code that you use to check the number that's linked to the Ghana card. So you just dial *402# and you send. So the next option that would appear is this one. So you just have to choose check SIMs. That's the option 1. So enter the Ghana card number in the format as shown on the screen. Alright, so next is to enter your date, or is to enter the date of birth without any dashes or any hyphen as the format shown here. Enter and tap on send. So after some time you will see SMS showing the number linked to the Ghana card. So you will just have to give you just have to call the number and make schedules to meet the person and return the Ghana card to the owner. I think the person would be grateful after returning the Ghana to him or her. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching.